It's another exciting day. It's summertime and I am going to demonstrating making a lao dessert that is very popular and most everyone loves it. It is called Namvan and simply translate as sweet water. So my ancestors came from China to Laos to Thailand and now in America. So Namvan, it is a Lao dessert, and due to our migration history, we tend to adapt it, foods from other cuisine and add it into the Hmong cuisine. So Namvan, it's one dessert that we adapted to add to our cooking or our cuisine. So let me share a few words of my history remembering eating this dessert. So life before 1975, I was a little girl. I get to go to the market in Luang Prabang with my mother. And so I would see all these Lao lady, sitting in rows at their stall selling different kinds of food, including this dessert Namvan. From my childhood recollection, I think they were making this dessert Namvan or tapioca dessert in the authentic way. There was not many colors involved, such as young people nowadays in America making it. Not many colors. So what I remember seeing was just green color song, white color song, tapioca pearls, basil seeds that they soak in water, looks almost like tapioca pearls. There's a palm seeds, there's jackfruits, there's taro roots. Sometimes some vendors may have corn, others don't. They have melons, either cantaloupe or honeydew melons, sweet, delicious melon. And then, so I would be standing next to my mother, the little thing. And then she would order a bowl of Namvan. So the Lao lady would dish out a little bit of green color song into the bowl, little bit of white color song into the bowl, tapioca pearls, a little bit of basil seeds, jackfruit, palm seeds, taro roots, and then add sugar syrup, and also melon, and then coconut milk, and finish off with some ice popping on it. So the little bowl, we mix it, and oh my, so delicious. So my friends, I'm so excited to show you my way of making this dessert. Note that what I'm making today can get expensive. Most of the time, I'm making this for my personal family or just for a small event. For a big event, I don't tend to use all the fruits. And then also, I have children born here in America. So they like colors, and when I cook for their event, they request colors. So I would make colors for them and then omit all the fruits because they don't like the authentic way. Keep in mind that there are many variations to making this tapioca dessert or Namvan. Everybody makes it according to their like, according to what tastes good to them. There is no right or wrong. Some people just like it more sweet, more colorful, and that is okay. So please join me to view my ingredients and let's get started to making this very delicious Namvan or tapioca dessert. So here are the ingredients that I will be using to make my Namvan today. In this group are the flowers, frozen pandan leaves. These are to make the white and green color song or cendols. I already have a tutorial video on my YouTube channel how to make cendols. Tapioca pearls, again, I already have a video explaining how to boil tapioca pearls. And then I have some sweet basil seeds. These will be soaked in water only. And here it's a telephone brand agar powder with red color. I will be using both of these to make a jelly-like and then cut them into strips to add into this dessert just to have a little bit of pinkish or reddish color into the dessert. This is optional. Coconut milk, I use the coconut cream powder added with boiling hot water and let it cool. before I add it to the dessert. This is taro roots. When buying taro roots, do not buy the little ones like this. Those little ones are not tasty. Buy the big chunky ones like this. This is very soft, very delicious. And this one I have already peeled it. I will demonstrate how I cut them into cubes and steam it. Some fresh jackfruits that I'll be cutting them into small pieces. And then this is palm seeds. Okay. I apologize, my melon, it's in my garage that I forgot to add onto this table. So melon will also be added into this dessert. Dicing it into pieces like this. I'm taking about multiple pieces, just doing half like this and then into cubes. Water in the pot is boiling. I'm going to steam the taro for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I steam it for a full 10 minutes. Let's check to see if it's tender yet. Okay, this is how I check. I took out a couple pieces and then I take a fork, press it down. Okay, it is tender. Okay, it is good now. I have 5 cups water here. I would say 1/8 teaspoon here. I'm just going to cook the jelly until the pot boils, and that's enough. All right, it's a complete boil, so this is it. Turn off the heat. Okay, I'm pouring into a heat-proof bowl here. I'm going to let it sit here for about 30 minutes to let it cool down. Then I will transfer it to the refrigerator to have it cool further and solidify the jelly. Look at the color song, so pretty. Whoa. Color green is just right, and I would say very well made. Nice. So pretty. Ooh. 좀 더 느끼하리나? 그저 color성나. Basil seeds should be soaked in warm water. Soak for at least 30 minutes or as long as a couple hours. Some people may even do it overnight. Soak with more water because the seeds absorb water and it gets swelling up. Okay, I have soaked the basil seeds for over an hour, so it's time to rinse it. Okay. I'm just going to rinse it in cold water. This is the green color song, white color song, tapioca pearls, basil seeds. This is the red jelly. I have steamed taro, palm seeds, jackfruits, melon. This is the sugar syrup, coconut milk. And I do have some ice back here also as needed. So let's assemble a bowl. Let me first put the tapioca pearl first. Some red jelly. The red jelly is just to add color. I don't need much, but just to add color, a little bit of color, that's it. Going to put some palm seeds. I love palm seeds, so I will add a little more. And then I also love taro, so let's do some taro here. White colossal. Mostly I will have green colossal more. So I always put the colossal very last when assemble this dessert. And the melon, so let's add some melon. Melon and jackfruit is to be added if you are to serve immediately. So right now I am serving immediately and I'm adding them. Oh, looks so pretty, so delicious. Wow. Let's eat. So yum. It's sweet, creamy, and smells very good from the pandan juice. Wow. Wow. Cá chập lời nữa, Namvan cá chập lời. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you watching me today demonstrating my style making the lao dessert Namvan or tapioca dessert. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.